White Heart Nasty here, and I'm doing some painting here because I actually think I found my destiny to be a painter. But as you can see, it's kind of slow going, but at the same time, it definitely looks really good. Yeah, sorry about that, my dogs want to go out. Excuse me. I'm almost done with this wall here, and as you can see, I am trying to make it brown at the bottom, blue and green for the walls, so the birds will be like, oh my gosh, look! Look at this, this is beautiful. I mean, it's looking really good. I originally had plans to make this green and this purple and orange as simple as a sunset, but I figured, hey, why not have the sun do that for us? And as you can see, it definitely looks a little bit beautiful. And now that that side is done, I'm just going to get this side red for this and this. It actually looks really good. I am doing it. I'm doing painting. I'm just trying to get this on. Alright, there we go, red. Just to symbolize the good old-fashioned classic roof. Just gotta keep painting it. Excuse me, got a little bit of a bile on my throat, sorry. We're getting close towards the end, and as soon as the paint dries, I'm gonna hang it up outside on a tree so that a nice little bird family will be able to sit on it, and we'll be able to have little baby birds in there. It actually looks quite beautiful, doesn't it? Quite well here. Hi, this is White Heart Aspie signing off.